We all have pets and we all love pets, and pets help keep us in business, right? Pets do have accidents, and unfortunately, that's just a part of life. If you're dealing with an unwanted odor that you just can't seem to get rid of, even after a carpet cleaning, we have technicians trained to really dive deep into finding the source. Odors are caused generally by an odor-causing bacteria. That's why we use an enzyme, which is actually going to seek out and kill that odor-causing bacteria. Now, you will sometimes have those odors return. What happens there is that odor is actually going down through the backing of the carpet into the padding. After we clean and deodorize, the surface of the carpet is good and clean and odor-free. But once that evaporation starts to happen, it creates like a suction effect and could bring some of those odors back up to the surface. That's why we have our Workmanship Guarantee. We're always going to come back one more time at no extra charge to really hit all those areas again. So if you do have that odor come back, don't worry about that. You just give us a call and we're going to come out and address that again immediately. When we spray our deodorizer, we're not just spraying it topically on top. What we're doing is we are applying that deodorizer, and then we take our grooming brush and we actually brush that into the carpet fibers. That way we're pushing that enzyme treatment down into the base of the fibers to seek out and kill all those odor-causing bacteria down as far as we can possibly reach. A lot of deodorizers are just masking the odor. So you spray that, it smells good now, but then a couple of days later you're smelling that odor again. So what we have in our deodorizer is a live enzyme, and what that does is it seeks out and kills the odor-causing bacteria. What that's going to do is seek out and kill all of that from the base of the source. So from the source, we are putting that enzyme in there to kill that odor-causing bacteria rather than just masking the odor. Our technicians are trained from day one to make sure that we are going above and beyond to find out all the issues and to help the customer solve those issues. And if you want to learn more about how this process works, check out the other videos in our services playlist.